In this video, we demonstrate how to use the Accessibility Assistant to identify and fix accessibility issues in your documents, presentations, and emails. Let's see the Accessibility Assistant in action using a PowerPoint presentation. From the Review tab, in the Accessibility group, click the Check Accessibility icon. The same option is also available in Word and Outlook. The Accessibility Assistant helps you find and fix issues in the following categories. Colour and contrast. This identifies if the text colour is easy to read against the background colour. This doesn't catch every instance, so be alert and check for this manually. We cover more on fonts, colours and formatting in our Good Visual Design video. Next is Media and Illustrations. This checks for missing alt text and other media-related issues. To learn how to write effective alt text for images, smart art graphics, charts and decorative elements, please watch our Best Practices for Images video in the Digital Accessibility series. Next, it checks your tables. This looks for issues in table structure and readability. Then, document structure is taken care of. These checks are focused on titles and other structural elements and duplication. There is a missing title on one of the slides and an issue with the reading order in this presentation. Finally, document access. This verifies if the presentation has been set to restricted access. If it has, applications such as screen readers, an accessibility tool used to consume content, won't work. This presentation has not been restricted, so there are no issues requiring attention here. To resolve issues, click on the first item listed. In this presentation, that's Missing Slide Title. PowerPoint will navigate to and select the first item the issue relates to. Here it's the title placeholder on slide 4. This title placeholder doesn't contain any other content other than the placeholder text, so I'll click Edit Slide Title in the Accessibility Assistant pane. Enter a title for the slide and click Approve. People with visual impairments or reading disabilities rely on slide titles to navigate. By using a screen reader, they can quickly scan through a list of slide titles and go straight to the slide they want. There are 2 reading order issues, so I'll address them next. I'll click Check Reading Order, and PowerPoint again will jump to the first slide which needs amending. In the Assistance pane, I'll click Check Object Order. If required, you can adjust the width of the reading order pane to make it easier for you to work with. It's important that the reading order is correct for screen reading software to read aloud the content of the slide in a logical order. On this slide, the title is at the bottom of the reading order list, meaning it will be read aloud after the other content. As I would like the content on this slide to be read from the top down, I need to select the title in the order pane and move it up to position 1 using the Move Up command. When all accessibility issues have been corrected, you will see confirmation in the Accessibility Assistant pane. Looks good, no issues found. The words Accessibility Good to Go also appear on the status bar at the bottom of the screen. Here, if you see Accessibility Investigate, click on it to run the Accessibility Assistant again. One final tip. You can keep the Accessibility Assistant pane open while you work. It will update automatically as you make changes, showing you your progress in real time.